just lapping at the bottom bricks now, but cars go past and it washes a bit higher, but if it rises any more it'll probably end up inside, but we've done as much as we can and just hope for the best, really.
Good luck with that.
A few people are just not prepared and just given sandbags. The Ute's not doing great, so we can't get some streets, but that's alright. There's a lot of old people and they just don't have any. It's really bad. Yesterday we did it with my sister a bit out Selkirk Drive, and it was just whole streets without people.
Just wait, that's all we can do. We've watched pretty much all night, and we've watched it come from right over there being this deep to right there being that deep, and you know, we've done everything that we possibly can, and we'll see how much damage it does. Try and look after all the neighbours, you know, had a good chat with them most of the night, and we just wait. That's all we can do.
There's been a lot of support, a lot of help. We keep getting a lot of help from everyone. So it's beautiful. Yes. Like, maybe put it down there.
Yeah, why not?